Hey there, Cassandra here, aka the Prosperous Heart, and I am sharing with you today 15 tips on how to live a prosperous life. So go ahead, before I get started sharing those tips, go ahead and leave a comment about where you're coming in from and just send me a shout out, and I'll hit you up when you on the replay there. But I'm sharing these tips because I found that in life a lot of people know these things, but don't actually think about them. They don't bring them to mind. They may get some purchases. They may purchase some things from, this is distracting me even. They may get some purchased trainings on how to do whatever for a business or something. And they, like with affiliate companies or with home businesses or things like that. And they learn these things, but it really should be common sense. So I'm just going to share these 15 tips on how to live your prosperous life. And if you find that I've been missing one, go ahead and leave one down in the comments. And so that way I can add to my list. And if you are watching this live on Facebook right now, go ahead and tap that live button if you want to learn more. If you're on YouTube when I repost this, go ahead and click on the subscribe button wherever you see it. So number one, first tip on how to live your prosperous life. Don't spend more than you earn. It seems like this should be something that everyone knows, but if that were the case, we would have a lot less debt in this country and the world, right? So you want to make sure that you don't spend more than you earn. And when, I guess it probably is 16 then, but when you get more money, when you earn more money, when you create more streams of income, be sure to put more away. Right? The more money you earn, the more you have the ability to put away or invest. So number one, don't spend more than you earn. Number two, if you must spend more, pay it off as quick as you can and pay off the smallest debt possible, focusing on first. Hey, thanks so much for the like. So that's number two. Number three is raise your vibration. There is too much negativity in this world that will bog you down, that will cause, issues in your health, issues in your mental state. So be sure to raise your vibration in whatever way that is for you. Number four, take care of your body and physical health. This is the only body you have in this life. You have to take care of it or it will fail you much sooner than you'd like. So be sure to take care of it. Be sure you're eating as healthy as you can but also, work out when you can. And again, just do your best, right? So number five, take care of your spiritual health. And I'm not saying follow a religion. I'm saying find out what is true for you. Find out what is true for your spirit, for your soul. Unfortunately, there's just too many unknowns out there, right? We don't know for sure what is or is not out there. And all the time we're finding some really cool stuff, like the aliens, or I know that sounds crazy, but these aliens in Egypt where they were human-like figures with hands like this, only 3 fingers, found, I believe, in Egypt. We're finding things like this all the time that are constantly challenging what we know as truth. So you need to take care of your spiritual health and find out what's true for you. So number 6, you need to give more time, more money. I'm not saying give so much more that you take away from yourself so that you're hurting, but the more you give back, the more you'll receive. And that includes money. Money is energy. I'm not going to go into that in this video. I've got plenty of friends that could probably speak on this as well. But you want to give more because we as a species find joy and fulfillment in giving to others and helping others along. So you want to give. Number 7, relax. Relax more. Find more ways to enjoy the moments that you are living and that you're awake, because this is going to help you raise your vibration. It'll help you find more things to be thankful for, and it will attract more things to be thankful for into your life. So you want to relax more and find ways to enjoy each moment. Number 8, you want to meditate daily. There is science that shows meditation diminishes, if not gets rid of anxiety. It's been shown to improve Parkinson's. It's been shown to just do some crazy things. Look it up, do your research, and meditate daily. I know that I need to get back on that myself. Number 9, find ways to forgive those who've hurt you. Holding on to that pain or anger, that resentment, is only poisonous to your body, soul, and mind. So find ways to forgive those that have hurt you. Number 10, hey, thanks for joining. Number 10, invest in yourself. This means find trainings and workshops and seminars to help you be a better you. Do you want to learn how to be better at sales? Do you want to learn how to close better? Do you want to learn how to speak better, how to listen better? Do you want to learn how to sew or cross stitch? Maybe how to fix your electronics? Whatever it is, be better. Go out and find ways to be better. Find out ways that you can improve yourself, your mental state, the things that you're going to be talking about with people, because there's so many things that happen when you learn more, especially with the neurons in your brain and the synapses that start to wire together because they're firing together. You're learning new things. You're making things stronger in your brain. It's becoming more of a fact, right? So you want to learn new things. You want to invest in yourself and become better. So number 11, you want to build on your investments. Not only do you want to pay yourself first, right? Improve yourself and things like that. Hey, thanks so much for the love. You want to build on your investments because, let's face it, if you have a 9-to-5 and you're working for somebody else, you are working for their wealth. You are not creating your own wealth. You're not putting forward for your own future, for yourself or for your family. So you have to learn to build on investments. Find ones that work. Not everything works for everyone. Not all home businesses are for everyone. Not all businesses are for everyone. Maybe you just want to, do CPAs or click per action and get paid to do things for somebody else. That's perfectly fine. But find ways to do investments where you're not trading time for dollars. Okay. So, number 12, spend time with those who improve your mood, boost you up, and motivate you to do, have, and be more. If you're around people who are negative all the time, who can't have a conversation with you over politics or religion without getting really, really upset, probably don't want to spend time with them, right? Number 13, stop caring what other people think about you. It's not your business. If someone doesn't like you or whatever, it's usually their problem. And if they don't tell you what's got their goat, you can't improve yourself as a person. So stop worrying about what people think about you. They're going to make assumptions. They're going to believe whatever they want to believe. If you're true to yourself, if you have honesty and integrity and are an all-around good person, it doesn't matter what they think or say about you. The truth will come out. So number 14, do no harm unto others. Like, if people just stopped hurting other people, the world would be so much better. But there's people who some people claim are evil. There's people who have these beliefs and ideas about people that cause problems. Just, get over it. Don't do no harm to others. And if you live by that, your decisions will be fine, because every choice that you make going forward is not intended to harm somebody. It's intended to become prosperous. It's intended to become happier. It's intended to become, have a better life, right? So do no harm unto others. And then finally, number 15, don't be so hard on yourself. We're all human. We all make mistakes. As long as you learn from it and move forward and, don't harm anyone else in the process, you are growing. You are doing what it is to be a human being, not human doing, right? So don't be so hard on yourself. We all have our own races to run, but it's our race. It's your race. You are the one that is responsible for what happens after things are working in your life. Did you go out and create something to give value to someone, and therefore they are interested in your business or something? You've gone out and done something, and just keep going, okay? So don't be so hard on yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just go out and live that life that you dream of. All right. So thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart, owner of www.ProsperousHeart.com. And I have, let me check these. Okay, cool. I have something for you. So, hey, everyone that joined, I didn't realize that Facebook showed people. So, it wasn't showing, rather, I should say. So in the comments right now, I'm putting a link, and it is a link to a free group that I'm running, where I'm going to be sharing information on things that I've learned as I have been working on my LLC, things that I've learned over the years for online marketing, affiliate sales, and just in general, things that I wish I had known far before, I had accountability for, whatever you name it. I have this group so that you can kind of overcome some of those problems if you are having them. So go ahead and click on that link, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks so much. Have a prosperous rest of your day, and I'll see you later.